In MySQL 8.4, the change buffer, a performance optimization for write-heavy workloads, is now disabled by default. This shift reflects improvements in modern storage hardware that make random I/O significantly cheaper. However, for latency-sensitive systems, this change can lead to unexpected latency increases. On traditional HDDs, the change buffer provided a real performance benefit by avoiding slow random disk reads for secondary index updates. This optimization played a role in MySQL write optimization, but it's less critical with modern storage hardware. While the change buffer can improve performance in certain scenarios, it also adds overhead to write operations, which can impact MySQL query performance, especially under sustained write load. The change buffer is not without value, but its benefits may not outweigh the overhead for many MySQL workloads. This shift reflects MySQL 8.4 LTS's focus on more practical defaults for performance optimization. A practical use case demonstrates the impact of InnoDB change buffering on write latency in a real-world system. This example highlights the importance of testing every aspect of your workload during a MySQL upgrade. The change buffer's default status has shifted over time, reflecting improvements in storage hardware and stability issues. Users should stay aware of these changes and test the impact on their workloads during upgrades. Always test every aspect of your workload during a MySQL upgrade, especially when even a few milliseconds of latency change can have real impact on MySQL performance tuning and query optimization. Stay informed about changes in defaults and their implications to avoid surprises like this one.